Gates open, they're up and racing. Snake Me, Spaghetti, as expected, draws for your lead. Cuccinelli is right behind in second, running by the rail Celestial. In between runners, Sheila Princess moving up on the outside. Bombardier moving up now is Dugos Pet, and Lovely Tara is running at the tail of the field as they round towards the last 450. Snake Me, Spaghetti from the outside. Cuccinelli is running by the rail as they turn for home. Now we have Cuccinelli takes the lead. Snake Me, Spaghetti drops back in second. Moving up on the outside is Dugos Pet, Bombardier. Then comes Sheila Princess with the last 100 meters more to run. We have Cuccinelli, Dugos Pet now takes the lead. And finally, Dugos Pet, Cuccinelli, Bombardier, Sheila Princess took fourth over Snake Me, Spaghetti, Celestial, and Lovely Tara.